What's good, guys, and welcome back to another video. So a liquidity rotation has actually happened within the Memecoin space right here, guys, and what that means is the trenches are going to be moving in a fast-paced manner, leaving a bunch of coins retracing so hard right now. So if you hold some meme coins in your portfolio and you're seeing them retrace so hard, that's because a liquidity rotation has actually happened. So money is going to be moving from those coins into these coins right here that I am showing you. And what these coins are going to be a new meta that is actually surging from the meme coin space right here, right? And it is going to be called the internet capital market. So what internet capital markets are going to be is that they're going to be consumer applications, right? So with these consumer applications, there's going to be tokens or coins that are actually going to be attached to them, right, making them internet capital markets as we are calling them. So right here, the first mover was actually launchcoin. So you can see this is going to be launchcoin on Believe, and Believe is an actual place or an actual application that's going to display all these internet capital markets. So right here I do have an image of Believe, and this is going to be the homepage of Believe, and as you can see, it's going to be displaying all these internet capital markets. So as I'm saying, these are going to be applications that have tokens attached to them. So that's why you're actually seeing the market caps right on here. Such as Superfriend has a 2.6 million market cap, fitcoin has a market cap of 11 million, and even dupe has 6.65 million market cap, right? So there's going to be a lot of coins that are going to be created within this new meta. So as I'm saying, a liquidity rotation has happened. So what this means is within the meme coin space itself right here, we do have different metas, right? So we do have AI meta right here, we do have the animal meta, right? And also we do have the celebrity meta, and let's say the internet capital markets meta. So if you make money off of the AI meta right here, let's say on fitcoin, you're gonna use some of those profits and to, you know, those animal meta right here, let's say maybe the likes of Modeng. And if you make money off of Modeng, you're gonna dump it into another narrative that's just gonna pop off of like, you know, the crypto sector itself or the meme coin sector itself. So right now we're gonna be in the internet capital markets, and that's where the money is going to be. So as you can see, launchcoin right here has actually gone from a 10 million market cap all the way to a 160 million market cap right here, all because of this new thing that we have that's going to be trending right now, right? And these are going to be the same gains that we saw on Modeng. So people are going to be moving money off of the older coins into this new meta. So I do believe these coins right here have the potential of actually doing 100x. So one of the other coins that we also can look into the internet capital markets right here, it is going to be Noodle, right? So Noodle is a game-like application, right? So within this game-like application, as you can see, I did make a few notes just for you guys right here. And again, if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All these coins, you're going to be able to trade them on Axiom, right? So you have the option of actually creating limit orders right here. As you can see, I can set up a limit order on dupe. I'm going to talk about dupe as well, so stay until the end of the video because this is going to be very important, right? But then you're going to be able to trade them on Axiom, and some of these I do believe have the potential of also actually getting listed on bybit. So right here with our link that's going to be down in the description below, you also have the chance of actually earning up to, you know, $30,000 in rewards on bybit. So use the link that's going to be down in the description below, and it's going to take you to bybit. Sign up using that link and you will be able to catch some of these rewards that bybit is going to be giving you, right? So as I am saying, right, let's just look at Noodles right here. This is going to be a snake-like game. And also shout out to Coin Talk right here because he did also cover some of these. So a lot of crypto Twitter right now is going to be talking about it, right? So if you go on CT, you will find people talking about these internet capital markets. So as I am saying, Noodles, right, where is it actually? He talked about it. And for me, I've also you know, I've been paying close attention to it. So it's going to be a snake-like game. So it's a snake that's going to eat other snakes and you win actual tokens. So this game is actually paying you. So you can see how it's basically done. It was launched today, and it went from, all the way 100k market cap all the way to 18 million market cap, and right now we do have that pullback. So this is where I was actually looking to get into this Noodle token right here, or Noodle meme coin, right? They do have the utility behind them, but overall they're still going to be meme coins. So I was actually looking at Noodle right here, and this was where I was actually looking to enter off of it, but it's still going to be a good level. So after this video right here, I'm actually going to get into it, and if I am going to be looking for a deeper retracement on Noodle, then I do believe it has the potential of actually going all the way to the 4 million market cap range, right? So if price actually ends up dumping all the way to this level, this is also going to be another good level to look at it from. And again, remember guys, I am not a financial advisor, so you always have to do your own research after I give you this information right on here. So I'm going to be a little bit picky with some of these coins, but as I'm saying, the link to this watch list right here is going to be down in the description below. Another coin that I'm going to be super bullish on right here, it is going to be internet capital market. So this one, we would say that it is going to be we would say that this is actually the actual coin for the whole narrative itself. So again, these coins saw a super surge, right, in price today, because that's when everyone else actually started paying attention to them. But you can see they're retracing so hard right now, so you have a better chance of actually getting into them right on here. So as you can see, this is going to be a major support level. So we touched it right here, price rejected, we touched it right here, price rejected, and also we're going to be touching it right now. So maybe this is also going to be a place whereby we can have our entries, and then this is just going to push to the upside. Else, if we don't get that, then this is also going to be another good level we can enter off of, which is going to be the 6 million market cap range. So if price actually breaks this level and comes back to this level, this is going to be okay. You can see volume is actually picking up right now, so this is something that you don't have to sleep on, because volume is just going to continue to skyrocket. And people, as you can see, this one says launchcoin is going to be going to it's going to hit 2 billion, right, in market cap valuation. So study AI 16Z, and study internet capital market. So this is where the money is going to be at right now, so you have to pay close attention to it. So that's just my analysis on internet capital markets. There's not much information on it, because you can see how it's literally just going parabolic off of here. But as I'm saying, that 6 million market cap level is going to be a level that we have to pay close attention to, and that's where we could actually hold we could actually enter internet ICM off of, right? And another coin that I'm going to be super bullish on right here, guys, within this AI, this internet capital market, matter, is going to be fitcoin. So again, all these are going to be applications. So with fitcoin, it is going to be super cool in a way, because you can actually take a picture of yourself with different fits, or like just take a picture of yourself, and it's going to give you different fits that would actually look good on you. So this one also kind of has like that actual real utility behind it, and it has a token. So again, this meta is actually onboarding Web2 users to Web3 in an instant. So this is the retail that we were looking for. And with Fitcoin right here, you can see it is going to be at a very good level right now. So again, this one just launched yesterday, and it's been moving smoothly. So we were actually going parabolic, and right now we have had that deeper retracement that we were actually looking forward to. So if we were to enter this right now, that is going to be a good entry level. Else, if it pulls back a little, again, this is going to be a support that's actually holding. So if it actually gives us, let's say this level breaks and we come back here, this is going to be a good level to enter off of. If this level breaks, then I wouldn't actually pay close attention to it, but I do believe even if it comes here and then it starts doing this, that's going to be a good level for you to buy it off of. So again, you could always actually dollar cost average with some of these tokens. So this is where I am also looking to enter Fitcoin off of. And another coin also that I'm going to be super bullish on right here, it is going to be dupe. So dupe actually has a cool utility behind it. And as you can see with our fib extensions right here, it is going to be at a 50% level of our fib, which is actually going to be a good entry level, right? And you can see on the 11th it actually launched. So this one is the one that's actually been most bullish out of the whole meta right here, with consistent candles even on the daily. So it's just been going up. So this is going to be a place whereby you can actually find cheaper stuff on. So you can see find similar products for less. So let's say you're looking for any other thing that you want, right? Let's say a bed, as you can see, a chair, or just something else basically, or a bub or something else, right? You're gonna be finding for less right here on dupe. So this one actually has real utility behind it, and as you can see, that's why we are seeing the price of dupe actually skyrocket as well. So this is also something that I'm actually paying close attention to, and I do believe it has the potential of even going all the way to that 100 million market, or even surpass the 100 million market cap level. I do believe a lot of these coins right here in this narrative have the potential of going above that 100 million market cap level. So these coins have the potential of actually doing 100x. And another coin that I'm also going to be super bullish on within this internet capital markets narrative right here, it is going to be let's say aura. These are going to be the smaller cap coins, so you can see they're going to be dumping like so hard right now, but then this is that deeper retracement that we've been aiming for. So silver friend, again, it was actually right here, and you can see some of them are right here. So this is a super friend right here, and it's actually retracing right now. And what this is going to be, it's an AI chatbot. So if you go to the website, as I'm saying, these have actual you can actually give it your stuff right here. It's going to put you on the waiting list, but these are going to be actual applications. So for me, I was actually looking to enter this off of this level right here, but you can see that it's going to be breaking out right now. So it's not, if it still holds, right, it could still hold and push to the upside, but if it doesn't hold, this is also going to be a place where we can actually look to enter off of. If it gives us another deeper retracement right here, then this is going to be where you could actually look to enter it off of, which is going to be the 1 million market cap range. But I would actually just pay close attention to it if it reaches this level. But overall, for now, the best entries are going to be off of these levels right here, which are going to be at the 2.6 million market cap level or the 2 million market cap level, right? So this is super friend right here, and as you can see, there's going to be a lot of coins, but I'm not going to talk about all the coins right here because you can also look at them. So the most bullish one out of all these coins, it is going to be Gooncoin, and this one actually launched 19 hours ago, and it's been going parabolic. So we haven't actually seen that deeper retracement on this one because it's just been going parabolic. So for me, I am waiting for this to probably, I would love for this to dump all the way to the 25 million market cap level. And because this actually gives us that good entry. But then if we don't, then this is going to be somewhere that I am also going to be looking at. But as you can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows, so the trend is still actually holding right here. So maybe this is still a good entry for us to enter off of, right? But I would actually just pay close attention to this because it is going to be near all-time highs. So it's always important to actually wait for those deeper retracements when a coin actually goes this parabolic, and I do believe this is gonna give us that deeper retracement. So we just have to wait. So as you can see, it's already done 70,000% right here. So people have made insane cash off of this, but we just have to be patient and wait on it. So again, another internet capital markets play right here, which is going to be Gooncoin. And let's just look at one other coin, and you can check out some of these coins for yourself right here. But another one is going to be NinjaChat. So NinjaChat is an all-in-one AI tool. So you do have the likes of ChatGPT, the likes of Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, Glock, DeepSeek. You have all those AIs onto NinjaChat. So again, this one was launched way back, and you can see how consistently the market has been going with this one. So for now, I would actually just pay close attention to where it is at, right? So again, if you're seeing so much noise like this, you can always draw up your you know, your level, this is going to be a level. So what this means is you can have multiple entries. So a level, you know, support is just going to be a level. So if price actually dumps right here, it still has the potential of going to the upside. So this is where I am also looking at NinjaChat. This one is going to be the most, you know, underrated coin off of this narrative right here, and it's also going to be one of those risky ones, right? Because who knows, it would actually just dump harder, but I do believe it has the potential of going to the upside. So I'm just going to keep a close eye on it. All of these, I have, you know, my notifications turned on so that I see everything that's going to be happening off of this. So I have actually set up my alerts. If it hits a certain market cap, I'm going to be getting involved in buying on Axiom right here. So again, the link to Axiom is going to be down in the description below, and as you can see, dupe is actually holding that level. So that's actually insane. So again, these are all the internet capital markets coins that I do believe have the potential of doing 100x off of this new meta that we have right now, and this is where the money is going to be at. So pay close attention to them, and you know, do your own research. You might as well get into them, and you're gonna make so much money off of these guys. So again, if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.